Welcome back to my channel, guys. Joy of this target one wave. So last week was a good week. Actually, market has come to our level without giving any much of the momentums. Okay. But anyway, whatever the forecast we did, market has come to that level. Let us see what the market will be doing. Okay. I'll just delete this right now. So and yeah. Okay. Fine. Let's go. Let's see what is the last week's analysis from. To see what is the data coming out in the next week. So as we can see, we have USD newses, AED newses, interest rates coming on, high impact newses, all this. So mostly on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday and Wednesday will be little like it will wait for the data too, and according to the data, it will react. So this is the plan, and yeah, mainly US news, Australian dollar, GBP, and yeah, only these three news are mostly are important right now. Seeing this data, let's go to the DXY. Right? So let us start. As we let us see what last week we have explained here. So we said DXY will be coming to this area and it will be pushing up. Okay. And if you see exactly to that area, it has come and it started to react. Right now, will it go up? This is the question that everyone is asking, whether it will go up or DXL will be falling. So right now, whatever the situation, geopolitical situation is going on with the Trump, it is not so. I can say it's on a negative side, lower side, or negative impact. So I do expect I will delete this so that seeing scenario, I do not see any up move coming right now. So what do we expect here? If you see me small push-up, a small push-up on one more fall can come. This is the high maximum possibility that we can say. Yeah, this is a maximum possibility we can see, but I don't see any momentum coming out as far as now. I can see the DXY pushing down because of Trump's actions. Okay, and geopolitics difference also. Okay, regarding the India, Russia, and many other countries involved here, just China mainly. Okay, so this is the area that we'll be expecting. Now let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD, we are expecting market to exactly push up, and exactly that is what has happened here. As you can see, Euro USD has pushed up from that level, exactly that level which we have said, without any much of the consolidation. And still, what do we expect here? Since the dollar is going on the opposite side, and do we have any news on euro? Right? No, not high impact news. It's not there right now. So I feel like it will just follow the trend. Okay. Right now, what do we expect here? Still, since euro is also somewhat involved with US in some geopolitical situations, but I don't think so. Euro USD will get affected because of Trump most like in the going the downside. So I expect mostly there are two possibilities that I'll be expecting here. One is market can consolidate right now, seeing the geopolitical situation, or market can push up. These are the two conditions that I can see it. Right. Still keep on pushing till the cases get settled down. Okay. So I will expect market to consolidate and push up. This is the case where I'll be saying, and let's see what happens in the next week coming week. What euros does and how does it cooperate with US or it not cooperate? What is going to happen? Let us see. Okay. So next GBP USD. GBP USD, we were expecting market to go up, and market did the same thing. As you can see, we were coming up, and there was spikes but it did come to a spike to some level. It has come, and after that it has fallen. If you see the spike up, down, again up. So this is what we have expected here, and that is the exact move that it has given here. So let's delete this and see what it has done. Okay, I mean what we'll be doing the next. So I can see GBP. I think in two scenarios. Saying there can be some leading structures, I can say, or some technical. I can see some technicals here. So in that case, plus fundamentals, if I include, we do expect market to continue to push up. Small push ups can be possible, breaking the top once more, and one small breakdown is possible. So these are the two moves right now is possible, seeing the fundamentals and technicals. But there can be chances of GBP pushing. That is also a completely normal situation here. Okay. So let's see what GBP does. But right now, this is the structure that I can see. Market small push up, one more taking the top up, and after that, market can fall. I mean, the fall in the sense just a consolidation structure where it will be a messy taking liquidity most of the time. Or it can just shoot up also, it's also a possibility. But anyway, it is in between, so I need to read little more reports and see how technicals impacting and other stuff. Okay, so just be as far as you just leave or just see for this structure to avoid most of the losses. Next, New Zealand USD. As you can see, we were expecting market to push up and fall. Instead of that, market has done in the opposite way, and it's completely fine right now. Anyway, now what do you expect here still? So instead of making a little complex structure, market has given a little more idea and better structures here. Seeing here, I expect market to fall right now from here, and let's see if it consolidates. Then this is the level. Okay, let me just give you the level here in this case. So this is the level that you should be cautious here. So you can sell it from this area. Maybe one more break is possible. Let's see if it breaks one more, then it's a good sell. Or else if you get any good structure here, any patterns here, you can go for the sell. Okay, sell should be the trade here. That is the best possibility that we can see here. Yeah, so I think we have some news on AED, right? Australian. Yeah, on Tuesday we are having some news on Tuesday. Paid interest rate, and previous was 3.85, and the forecast is 3.8, which is reduced. But let us see how it impacts. I don't think so. This will impact in a major way right now, but if it decreasing as per the forecast, then it should have some effects here. Okay, so we were expecting market to push up and consolidate. That is what the market has done here. Exactly from that level, it has pushed up. I hope you have traded the move here and made a good profit here. So let me delete this and let's see what for the next week. And yeah, guys, do you need this thing? I don't think so. It is required right now. So let's see. Okay, so what do you expect here still? So right now market is in between, so we do have interest rate on Tuesday. So let us see what rates are coming here. Before Tuesday, if the market comes to this level, around this level, okay, you can see whether depending upon that you can go for the trade upside or downside. But when the market is at this level on Tuesday before the news release, then look for your trade up. Okay, this is one case scenario, but the other case scenario is if at all market still crawls up slowly, okay, then look for your downgrade. This is the two possibilities that we can see because of interest rate coming out, depending upon technicals also we should see, and plus fundamentals. So right now we know the fundamentals, what will be the forecast and what is going on in Australia, and let us see how it impacts. Plus now we have to see the technicals. So technicals are indicating in two ways. Let us see what. But in the coming days, maybe Monday mostly evening, we come to know where the market heading right. So there are two structures here. Let us see which structure. But wait for the structure. Whether if it comes here, then go for the buy. If it comes above this, go for a sell. This is the new trade that you can go into. I hope you got it. And next comes USD/JPY. I hope we were expecting USD/JPY to tap, and this was a YouTube trade, right? We were expecting market to push up. Instead of that, market came up and followed the second structure, which was this coming out and again was pushing up. And we were in some of the cases, we took some profit seeing the structure change and some structure, and we are in profit in some of the cases. But also we have closed the trade because we didn't have good momentum here, but still it is moving in our favorite direction. That is the power of our research and technical analysis. I'll say most of the research will be done before coming to meeting. Okay, so still this is intact, valid, as you will see, but the momentum which it goes, I'm not sure. The momentum which it's leading to this level is not so. I can say it's better or good. So that is what we have taken the profit and we have closed our trade. But if you are in the trade saying that from this level or this level, then you can hold it or put it into break even so that you'll come to know when it comes to this level, book your profits. Okay, so I'll just change it into this. So right now, let's see what the market does in the coming weeks. But still, this is intact level. Let this finish. After this trade, I'll give you the one more trade of the trade. Okay, and this is our primary target. As you said, still we are in the intact. Because of some positive momentum in the dollar, it will just pushing. It will be pushing up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I'll just show you that also. In the case, I'll just show you. Okay. Anyway, USD chip. What did we say? USD chip. We are expecting market to crawl down and it crawl up to this area and after that again to fall. But instead of that, market just tried to come to this zone, but it didn't touch our zone a little bit. Okay. So what do we expect next? So since it is consolidation, I do expect market to fall. The selling will be the only option here for me. Wait, let me just close this. Yeah, what do I expect here? So we will be expecting one small push up, breaking this top once more, mostly this top, and coming to my level mostly, and after that it can fall. This is what we'll be looking at in the USD chart. Okay, and this is why YouTube pair, I mean the USD also will be pushing up in the most of the case because some of the structures and technical patterns has to come to overbought area for a sell purpose, and if it is getting aligned with the fundamentals, it's a great sell and sell possibilities also. Okay. Just give me a second. I'll open the Discord so that you can see our traders making money over here. Okay, so I'll just show you the trade that we have given here. This is our Discord group. As you can see, you see here on Forex trade. Yeah, we have also shared some fundamentals here, but last week we did not share much of the fundamentals, but some of the reports that we shared here. Okay, and let's go to Forex trade and let's see what trade we have said. That's what we have said. USD from here it will be pushing up. Instead of that, it came more down and started to push up. We have given the idea, and we have said this was USD sell trade. That also we tried to take here, and it was a good trade. And USD check trade also we have mentioned from that level it will be pushing down, and that is what is doing. Okay, and yeah. So we have also closed the trade in small profit, but one more still push up is coming. That is what we have said, and exactly that is what we are doing. So and yeah, we have closed the trade that we have said. And one more thing is, let me just go to our thing. See the trade that people are taking here and making money, a lot of money with just giving the simple strategy that we say. Okay. Yeah. Fine. And yeah, this is what I want to show here. But right now, let's go back to the channel. And USHF, as explained, we have done, and let's go for gold. Gold, what do we expect here? Gold, we were expecting market to push down and push up, but instead of that, market started to crawl up as a consolidation stage, bringing all the liquidities above it. So what do we expect right now? So in the upcoming weeks and upcoming months, what will happen for gold? Any idea for you? If you have any idea, comment below. Let us read and see what can gold. Okay, and it aligns with our structure or not, maybe our fundamental and research part. Okay, so right now, what do we expect? We expect still market to just smallly crawl up, breaking this top once more and start to fall. Whether it is touching this level or not, but this should be the case here. Right now, crawling up, or falling. Whether it breaks this level or falls from here, anyway, we are looking only for the sell spread. These are two things that we can see. One is crawling up, touching this level, mostly or breaking this top, or selling from this area. I don't think so. One more push up is possible. That is the high probability I can say, taking this high and after that. But only thing is the gold will be dropping right now, but not in a feasible way. I can say it is and high impact. Okay, that's what I can say. Saying that market can just the high volume it should go. That's what I know. Because I am not able to say in depth here, but I can say there should be a good factors should be affecting here. That's what I can say. Okay, so this is the structure that I can see say to you regarding gold here. Next comes Nifty 50. India is getting very badly hit with the Trump tariff, and it is heavily dropping. Okay, every day each 1% is dropping from the negative, and it has come, but still it is on positive side. Let's see how it impacts. But right now India is also getting partnership with Russia, and they are not even listening to Trump what they say. But let's see what happens. Nearly 7 crore export stocks are on hold, and many people, many Amazon, many Walmart people are just shifting to some other supplies uh, from India. So, but anyway, this will temporarily impact the economy. But I feel like that is there's a strong foundation has been done through big bricks, and that will make a changes here. So right now we will just continue on the downtrend and no more uptrends right now on the Nifty 50. That is what we'll be doing. Okay, no more uptrends here right now. But right now we'll just only for look for the down. Whenever the market opens, go for the downtrend. No, not up. Okay. Next case, uh, BTCUSD. We are expecting BTCUSD to just push up and fall, but instead of that, market started to consolidate and it started to go push up. So this was a different scenario here, as we can see. So since this has done, what do we expect here? I'll just show you some small technical, whether it will drop from this level or not. This is the question. What do you think? Whether the BTC will drop here or not, or it will just break this trend line? It will. So it is. We will not be able to say anything here. But right now, what do we expect? It is market to crawl a little more and start to fall, unless it is a big news for Bitcoin. This is what we'll be expecting here in the upcoming not months, upcoming weeks. Let us say if it breaks, then there will be a different scenario that will happen, and we'll come to know that. Maybe I'll update on this page. Okay. I hope if you like this analysis, and if you are making a profit from this, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. You will get weekly updates and weekly trades here. Okay. So with this, I'd like to conclude the session here. Have a good trading week. All the best. Let's meet with the profits next week. Okay.